Okay, for this video, we're going to test the search bars. First, we're going to start with a form, and then let's look at Google. So let's go on to google.com, and then let's search for cars. And then we're going to copy this URL on top, and then we're going to assess what is inside this URL. So let's copy that one and paste inside. And click paste, and then now, there are a lot of characters here, but what is important here is of course this car. So look for the cars, the word that you have searched, which is cars, followed by an equal sign. So this equal sign, this Q here is the name of this input. Okay, so the name of the search bar or the text bar of Google is Q. So start with an input type, and let's search this one to text. And then the name is equivalent to this one, so let's set this one to Q. Okay, then after this one, you're going to make a button, so let's click submit. Okay, so submit to Google, and then this part is just, you're going to delete this one, and then what is important only is on this part. So copy this one, and this will be the destination of the action. So paste this one, so from search to HTTPS, copy, and then paste. So that will be the destination of your input text. Delete this one, and then let's save this. And then open in your browser. Refresh. Oops, let's try to create a BR. So let's make a space, BR, and then let's have 2. Save, Ctrl S, and then refresh. So for this one, I'm going to search plant, and then click submit to Google. So this is the same as searching in google.com. And then let's try something else. Let's search on YouTube. So for this one, let's try to apply it on a different website. So we'll try YouTube, and then let's click on the search engine here. So let's go with plants. Click search, and then we try to copy again the URL. Now for this one, YouTube has a different name on their query. So for this text box here, or the URL here, it states that it has a different file format, or the file name, or the name of the input box, which is, so let's create a form again. So I'm going to create another form first, and then I'm going to paste this one, and then let's try to analyze the URL. So the name of their URL is of course search query. So let's type in input type, and then text, and then make sure that the name this time is search query. So Google uses Q, and this YouTube uses search query. And at the same time, what we need here is the action or the destination where we're going to send this text. So for this example, I'm going to set here action, and then make sure that it will be of course inside this destination. So delete this part, and then set a button again. I'm going to create a submit button here, and let's save this, and let's try if it works. So make sure to save it every now and then. Ctrl S, go with file, and then save. Go back to URL. Let's set this one to back to URL, and let's refresh, and then there. So we have here to submit to YouTube, and then let's search plants. So if we click submit to YouTube, this will be just the same as the search engine that YouTube created. So we use their search engines, their search text boxes, to search a specific word. So it's easy to use these search boxes. So you need to understand the importance of this action attribute, and at the same time the name attribute in searching a specific word, and at the same time sending data to the server. Okay, I hope you learned something for this video tutorial. Thank you.